Next, test of significance. Test of significance for difference between sample means. For difference between sample means. If they are given two sample spaces, okay. If it is a one sample space, we are using the formula to find the t distribution. So we are using the formula that, what is the formula we use? T is equal to x bar minus mu by s into square root of n. That formula we are using. Suppose if they are given two samples, so how to find the t distribution for that? So for that we are using test of significance. We are test the significance level for the two samples, for the sample means. Okay, the formula is that t is equal to, so t is equal to x bar minus y bar divided by s into square root of 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. This is the formula we are using if they are given two samples. What is s? How to find s? S square is equal to 1 by n1 plus n2 minus 2. This is n1 plus n2 minus 2 is the degree of freedom. Okay. So into summation I from 1 to n1 xi minus x bar whole square. Difference in the mean we are considering, plus summation j from 1 to n. 1 to here n1, here it is n2. This is for second sample. So yj minus y bar whole square. So this is a formula we are using to find s square. If you take the square root of the solution for s square, it will be s. So then substitute. So n1 is the number of terms in the first sample, n2 be the number of terms in the second sample. X bar is the mean of a first sample and y bar is the mean of the second sample. So please write down this formula. So I will ask this formula while solving the problem. Okay. Write down the formula. So then I will go for the problems. Take down the problem. Did you clear the formula? Hello?
Sorry.
Okay. Take down the problem. Two horses A and B, two horses A and B were tested according to were tested according to the time, in the bracket in seconds to run a particular race, to run a particular race with the following result, results. So write down the data. Horse A, horse B. So horse A 28, 30, 32, 33, 29 and 34. Horse B 29, 30, 30, 24, 27, 29. 28, 30, 32, 33. One more 33 is there here. 33. One more 33. Then 29. Then 29. So then 34. This is 29. Then 34. So next horse B, 29, 30, 30, 24, 27. So it is same as 29. Okay. Test whether. So here this value not given. Test whether you can discriminate between two horses. So this is a question what they are given. Two horses A and B were tested according to the time in seconds to run a particular race with the following results. Horse A is given, horse B is given, but horse B, the last value is not given. Test whether you can discriminate between the two horses. So we have to check there is a discrimination is there between the two horses for the given data. Okay, now first it is we have to consider the t distribution. Here they are given, we are testing the significance, test of significance between the two horses. So solution, first I will write the formula for the t distribution if they are given two samples. So t is equal to x bar minus y bar divided by s into square root of 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. This is a formula what we have. Okay, call it as equation number 1. 1 by 1, the variables what we have in the formula, we have to find it, then substitute in t, then simplification we have to do. So next we have to find out x bar. X bar is nothing but summation of x divided by n1. So n1 is number of terms in the horse A. Okay, number of terms, and the variable we are taking for the horse A is x. X is the variable we are taking for the horse A, and n1 is the number of terms in the horse A. Okay, now go on substituting the value. X bar is equal to x bar. So add the values 28 plus 30 plus 32 plus 33 plus 33 plus 29 plus 34. And what you got x bar? You can write here, let the variables x and y, let the variables x and y respectively corresponds to horse A and horse B. Horse A and horse B. For horse A we are taking the variable x, and for the horse B we are taking the variable y. Horse B. So what you got the summation of x? What you 9. Okay, 219 divide by n1. As I told you that n1 is the number of terms in the horse A. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 terms are there. So x bar mean for the x values are 219 by 7, that is 31.3 we got. Okay, similarly we have to find out y bar. Y bar is the formula summation of y divided by n2. So add the y variables. We are taking the variable y for the horse B and n2 be the number of terms in the horse B. Okay, go on adding 29 plus 30 plus 30 plus 24 plus 27 plus 29. What you got? 169. Divide by n2. Number of terms in the horse B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 only. How many terms are there? You write the terms only. Don't write 7. We have only 6 terms in the horse B. You write 6. So 169 by 6 is 28.2. So we got x bar and y bar. So next, what we have to find out? So anyhow, we got x bar and we got y bar. We can substitute here. We know n1 and we know n2. We can substitute. We have to find out s. So that is our intention now. To find s, we have the formula for s square. What is the formula for s square? 1 by n1 plus n2 minus 2. n1 plus n2 minus 2 into summation n from 1 to n1 x bar xi from 1 to n1 xi minus x bar whole square okay, plus summation j from 1 to n2 j from 1 to n2 y minus yj minus y bar whole square. So this is a formula what we have to find s. Okay, so we have to find out first this one separately, you find this one separately, then you can substitute here. Anyhow, we know that n1 and n2 values. Okay, so now find out, we have to find the value of summation I from 1 to n1 so xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, so that is, here we have xi means these values x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 x6 x7 and x bar we have 31.3. so consider x1 minus x bar whole square plus like that. So x1 is 28 minus x bar is 31.3 whole square plus x2 is 30 minus 31.3 whole square plus next 32 minus 31.3 whole square plus next 33 minus 31.3 whole square plus again 33 minus 31.3 whole square plus 29 minus 31.3 whole square. Okay, plus so what you got? 34 minus 31.3 whole square. I will check all the 7 values are there. I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, all the 7 values are there. Now if you simplify this, you will get the answer as, what will get the answer? Anybody, can you tell me? You will get the answer as 31.43. 31.43 you will get. Okay, similarly we have to find out what we have to find out, yj minus y bar whole square of the summation. Okay, now consider summation j from 1 to n2 yj minus y bar whole square, which is equal to yj. So yj means this y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. 6 values for y that we need to consider. Okay, now go on considering the values of yj. So that is 29 minus y bar. What is y bar? Y bar here we got it as 28.2. 29 minus 28.2 whole square plus next value is 30 minus 28.2 whole square plus again we have 30 minus 28.2 whole square plus 24 minus 28.2 whole square plus 27 minus 28.2 whole square plus after 27 29 minus 28.2 whole square. So now simplify this. So you will get the answer as, what you will get? Anybody, can you tell me? You will get the answer as 26.84. 26.84. Now go on substituting all these values in equation 1. So equation 1 become t is equal to x bar. What is x bar? X bar we got it as 31.3. So 31.3 minus y bar we got it as 28.2. 28.2. Okay, divide by s. So here first we have to find out actually s square, right? Later we can substitute here. Okay, first you find out s square. S square is 1 by n1 plus n2. What is n1? n1 is 7 plus n2 is 6 minus 2 into summation I from 1 to n1 xi minus x bar whole square, that is 31.43 plus summation j from 1 to into yj minus y bar whole square, that is we got it as 26.84. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get s square as what? 5.2973 you will get. 5.2973 you will get. Take the square root. S will be 2.3016. Now substitute this value. Okay, you should highlight your answers. So which values are very important? Put it in the box, the important step values. Then you can easily identify that values. Okay, now substitute S value here. S is what? 2.3016 into, so into square root of 1 plus n1 into square root of 1 plus n1. n1 is 7 plus 1 by n2. n2 is 6. Now simplify this. So anybody, can you tell me what you got after simplification? So what you will get t value? What you will get t value? What you will get t value? So I will go to the next page if you are cleared this one. Shall I go to the next page? Hello? So if you simplify this, you will get t value as t is equal to 2.42 you will get. So we have to check the significance level. Between the t value what we got, actually we are taking two levels of significance. One is 0.2% and another one is 0.5, one is 2% and another one is 5%. So t value at the level of 5% significance. So at the degree of freedom, what is the degree of freedom? As I told you, the degree of freedom here is in the t distribution n1 plus n2 minus 2. It is the degree of freedom. So n1 we have 7 plus n2 we have 6 minus 2. So 6 plus 7, 13, 13 minus 2 is 11. So at the 11 degree of freedom, so 5% level of significance of t distribution is 2.2. So they will provide the table or they will give the value in the question itself. Okay. So next, so the value of t at the level of 2% significance is 2.75. 2.75. This is 5% level of significance at the 11 degree of freedom. It is 2% significance of, say it is the 2% level of significance of the t distribution at the level of 11 degree of freedom is 2.75. So here what we got, the value 2.42. This 2.42 is lies between 2.2 and 2.75. It is less than 2.75 and it is greater than 2.2. So it is greater than 5% level of significance and it is less than 2% level of significance. Then what is our conclusion? So now our conclusion is that the discrimination, because that is a hypothesis what we are considering, a discrimination discrimination between the horses is significant at 5% level, but not at 2% level of significance, but not at 2% level of significance. Suppose if you get minus also, we have to consider it as a mod t. Okay, mod t. So we have to consider if the value it is greater than 5. So now we have less than 5%, right? So the value is greater than 5% level of significance. So then it is a 5. We are taking that as a 5% level of significance, as it is a discrimination between the two horses. It is less than that, so but it is not the 2% level of significance what we have.